2017 Porsche Cayenne AC filter replacement. Okay. So in a 2017 Porsche Cayenne, the AC filter location is below the glove box. I don't know if you can see very well, but you open the cover below the glove box, you find the filter opening, and you change. Sorry, I'm alone, I don't have anyone to assist me hold the camera, so I won't be able to show all the process right now. But here you get the new filter, cabin filter. So let me proceed by opening and removing the old one. Okay, so as you can see, I've opened the cover. It has two 8mm bolts and two plastic clips. So after opening, you see the AC filter is located right here, or what we call the cabin filter. You see, so that's the old filter. I remove. This is the old filter, and here you get the new one. The new one here, the old one there. Now for the new filter, just take it same way you remove the old one. Just follow same procedure to fit. Yeah, that's it. Here we go, and it's okay to put the cover. So as you can see, I already fitted the new filter, so we are just to fit back this cover. So our cover is already in place, so fit back our 8mm bolt. Fit, as you can see here. The other fit here. And our plastic locks goes there.